Good morning, everyone. It's Nola. I just wanted to come on and show you a couple of boots that I made. I haven't listed anything because I've just been busy, and I got these kits, oh gosh, years ago from Annie, but the boots were separate from whatever she sent to put on them, so I couldn't figure out what she'd sent other than these little trees came with it. So what I did was I just did them with what I had. So sorry, Annie. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys. This was the first one I did. And um, I covered the whole thing with a doily type thing. And then put little doilies on top. And then my friend Gail, 504, had sent me this gorgeous green lace and this trim. So I was saving them both for something special. So that's what I did with them. And then I just put the little trees inside, a couple little bells on the back, some evergreen, and some little white flowers and some pearls. And these buttons down the front were all hand beaded by Karina Benson, Shabby Chic and Beauty. She is amazing. So she did all those buttons for me, so I wanted to get those on there as well. And I like it. I think it turned out really well. I don't know how you can't see the top of it. There you go. Excuse the mess behind. But everything is a mess. So that's my first boot. And I'm quite happy with it. My husband didn't think it was, he thought it was too monochromatic, so I added these to please him. So yeah, I like it. And then the next one I did like this. This is another piece that Karina hand beaded for me. Isn't that something? Look at that. Wow. So then I had this lace already, and I had this lace and this little butterfly. Now I don't know who gave me that. That was either Annie or Karina. And then this was off one of the wedding dresses. And then I had these from before. I just tore them apart. So that's the second one. So that's my two boots, Christmas boots. See, they're just ceramic Christmas boots underneath. And they've been sitting here for years, literally. And I could not figure out what. I looked and looked on the internet, couldn't find anything, couldn't find anyone who'd done them. Looked under every ceramic Christmas boot thing I could find, and just could not find them. So sorry, Annie, I just went ahead and used what I had. But I'm determined to do up some of these kits and things. So I would love to know what you think. And like I said, excuse my mess. Everything is all over the place. But let me know what you think. I'm very proud of them, so I hope you like them. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye now.